Hello, dear entrepreneur. If you want to boost your business by clicking this boost button on your mobile phone or on your desktop phone, so on your Facebook page, you have all these buttons here, and boost this post. Facebook encourages boost, boost, boost. You'll get more engagement, kind of more clients, but maybe you didn't saw results in terms of orders or sales, or if you saw some engagement, some comments, I will share with you today how you can increase by 10 or 1,000 times your efficiency by just clicking this boost button in another way. Not on the center, but on a corner. If you'll click on a corner, you will get 10 times more efficiency. Don't believe me. I'm joking. I just joke with you. I want to show you how you can set up by when you click this button, how you can set up it in more effective way. So you get all these options here on your phone, on your mobile phone. You maybe get less of this, but its principle is the same, and I'll share with you our secrets so you can get an amazing results. Let me share with you how much you can get. At least like this page. You see 26,000 people follow this page. And this is a real business. We work with these guys almost 4 years or 5 years, and we help to promote this in an effective way. So he gained these followers in an effective way, and this is real potential clients, most of them. And we started when he had 200 followers, so it's growing, and we want to help you also to grow. And it's of course is not only by boosting this post. He ordered from us some services, and we help the efficiency more effective to get these followers, these potential clients. These women from the town, from town hill, are located to get furniture. So he builds custom furniture, custom kitchens. Maybe you are doing some services for your community, and this or product, service plus a product, and this boost button can help you. Let me show you how you can set up step by step all the settings. And this video is meant also for some of our clients, because we don't click this boost button. We don't have this service to click this boost button. We have more advanced settings, and today videos is all about this button. And let's go. Click boost button. No matter, doesn't matter, on a corner somewhere. When you click, you get this page. It may look a little bit different because Facebook is redesigning this all the time, but principles are staying the same. What you need is to have your to expose your post to more people, more hot clients who are ready to buy or are willing in future to buy. So you need to engage with them. You have a couple of options: get more engagement or more messages. Messages is very cool to have because you'll have this button right here. If you select engagement, button stays the same. You can choose no button, WhatsApp message, whatever, but it's best to stay with send a message. And it's preview. Okay, let's get more messages. So we need more messages in our case. We want leads, real leads, somebody who not just like, but maybe will send some messages to us. And the most interesting part is right here. Here is the juice. Here is the part you need to understand how this works, because if you understand well, you will get very low cost for more people. So you will expose to a lot of people. And let's review all these options, and I'll recommend you what to use in different scenarios. So here is audience. If you are in town, you're promoting your service in town, you will better to select some options. And in desktop version, not on mobile phone, in desktop version, you have a little bit more options. For example, your location, you can just choose a couple of locations or more precise. You see, by default, he choose your location and plus 25 miles. It may be too big. And if you want to boost a lot of posts, it's better to get more targeted location by just dragging this cursor here, and you will choose, for example, this is our city actually, and this is our suburbs. So here is suburbs, and it's still a little bit big. For example, I want to have a very small part of the city to locate. If you want smaller, you can't do this. You need to select drop pin and drop it, for example, here. I will drop it pin here. It's the same 10 miles, but as you saw here, I have less. I can make it less, like 1 mile, and only this region. If I want also this part, you see Chocana, drop the pin on the Chocana. Again, 1 mile. So I covered this area here, and I'll remove Chisinau. You see, Chisinau is still here. I don't want Chisinau. I am having a post specifically mentioned, and I mentioned in the post Chocana. Hey Chocana, we build this furniture in Chocana. Look what we build, for example. And this is our targeted location. Yes, we have location. We select women because he is selling to women, ages maybe 24 to 40 will be okay. Check again. All is great, and I will save this audience. I don't select any of these options, like he likes real estate, he likes other stuff. Don't select this. If you are going so small like this, you see potential reach is 10,000 people. If I will select, I don't know, real estate, it will add up some people, but better to choose the simplest method, the simplest part, without any detailed targeted kind of stuff. Save location, and after you click save, I will not click save, in my case I will close. After you click save, it will save here your targeting customers, and you can boost the post. Now you click this button. Another way is to promote people who liked your page. In his case, he already have 26,000 of people. So when as you noticed, maybe you noticed, if you have 500 people, for example, who liked your page, and you post something, not 500 will see, only couple of these people are seeing your post. Let me go to his dashboard. So you see 3,000 people reached, but he has 25. Why is this happening? Because Facebook wants your money. Short version, they want your money to get to these people, and it's normal. On Instagram is the same, on YouTube is the same, on whatever platform, even if a new platform, usually when a new platform appears, more people will see. If you have, for example, 25, you post something, they will see maybe 25 or 60 or more people. But in time, platform is used more and more, and they change algorithms, and these platforms like Facebook, Instagram, they want your money. So it's okay to spend some money to advertise to your database of people. So you spend some money to get these people, and right now you're spending some money to advertise to these people. Crazy, yes? This is why you need to follow our channel, because every time when something changes, and you need to be ready to these changes, and we will make sure your business is ready to make all these changes, all these crazy changes, and you need to be adapted, ready for them. And if you find this video useful and you think, this video really will help me to boost my efficiency, please appreciate this video. Or this will be your thanks for us. A small one click to this button. Thank you. Thank you for clicking that button. And let's go to, again, to boost the post. I'll open in a new tab and I'll show you this. People who like your page. So these people, you want to advertise not only 3,000, you want most of them to see the page. This is why you need people who liked your page. And here you will select also the location if you need. If you don't need, okay, leave it as default and boost the post. It's okay to do if you have this amount of people. It's better to make it, for example, $5 or $4 or $3 for 2 or 3 days. And if you have this amount of people, this means you can spend a couple of dollars to boost your post. But even better way to advertise is people who liked your page and their friends. In this case, you will get also people who are online from here and their friends. Why you need their friends? Of course, if a woman of 36 age and thinking about furniture, she has some other women's friends who are the same age, the same status, maybe the same desire to update her furniture and have money, and almost is the same. Their replica, your ideal client is their friends. So without asking them, hey, can you share, can you do some? No. Automatically, this Facebook will do for you, their friends. And how this will look? I don't know if I will have on Facebook an example, but let's see if maybe somebody will advertise. So let me scroll once more. Oh, this guy, for example. You see, it's sponsored. If I didn't like this, for example, I didn't click like. But I didn't click like. In my case, I clicked. But if I didn't click, and some of my friends clicked and followed this guy, this means he can target me also, even if I didn't click anything on his Facebook page. But because my friends follow this guy, I will see some ads if he choose these friends and their friends. And I'm really interested, and it's for me is also interesting because it's about business. So this works very well. Again, location, choose your location. Maybe in this case you can go a little bit bigger, maybe like this, and save this. All people, friends of friends who are living here, and the same profile of people who follow you. And about likes, you see, it's very important to have real followers here, real likes, not just buying them or make a competition. Hey, click like, follow me, and you will win some free stuff, an iPhone, for example. You don't need this kind of stuff. I made also courses about this kind of competition and how Facebook algorithm works and why it's so important to make. Here is Facebook algorithm, and where is this? Here is how to organize a giveaway or contest on Facebook. So it's very important to don't have bad people here, because this will affect you long term. As you see here, 3,000, it's okay in this number, but if these guys are fake or not interested, they only was interested in iPhone on this phone, but they are not interested in furniture. This means when he will post some furniture here, people on his database who are not good fit will ignore this post, will not click like, will not comment, not share, not click on pictures and see the pictures. And this why Facebook understands this content is not good for this audience, and he will make it less exposure. He will expose your content less and less and less, and you will need to pay more and more and more to expose this to the right people. And even when you click friends of this page, you will have a bad audience. This guy who clicked your follow, like from another country or only to win an iPhone, his friends also are not interested in your stuff. So don't go with these giveaways. Go with real followers, real people who want to buy your stuff. Here is the best options to go. Click here and select your budget. Every new post what you will publish, select $1, $2, $5, depends on your audience here, and boost it. This is all. Boost it and you will see how effective it is. And also, if you don't have Instagram, click here and remove Instagram. You need Facebook. If you want on Instagram, create an Instagram and advertise on Instagram. But in our case, don't need Instagram. Uncheck this box here and boost it. And also, after the boost ends, you will see some results like this. How many followers and so on. And if you are seeing very good engagement, a lot of people share, comment on this post. For example, this one goes really good for his boost. You need to click again, boost again, and spend even more, double or triple the budget, because this is a good post, people engage in it, and you will most likely will get some leads from it. On this here, it's not okay to boost because you'll not get so good results in the beginning. This one also is okay, but this one, people engage and you will invest more, you will gain more result. And also check our channel. We have more. Actually, we have a story about this company, Mob Magic, how he started and how he grew his database, and also we explain more about Facebook audience, Facebook ads, and Google ads, how you can invest in them and get also good leads and good sales. And we also have some services here on our page. Click services. Here you'll find more information. Also prices. Here is if you want us to do some advertising on Facebook, more effective one from $50, a landing page from $500, and this will be a very effective landing page. And yeah, you have our assistance here. Follow us for more tips for your business. See you in the next video.